The first statement here suggests that robbery involves violence and such cases are also counted in assault. So if this were the case, the cases where there are higher cases of robbery, as in the cities where there are higher cases of robbery, should also have higher cases of assault. So let's sort it by robbery and see what we get. And see, we do see a positive correlation. See, this is increasing and this is also increasing in almost all the cases. Of course, there is not a perfect correlation. There are times, for example, here this has increased slightly and this has dipped. But overall, if you see, there is a very healthy correlation. See, overall, this has increased by almost 3 times, a little over 3 times, and overall, this also 424 has also increased a little over 3 times. So yes, it helps explain. The language is, will this help explain? Yes, this does help explain. The second statement, burglary also involves motor vehicle theft. So let's sort it by burglary and see whether there is a positive correlation. And see, the first time it increases, this decreases. Then it increases, this further decreases, this increases slightly, and this is increasing now, and suddenly it becomes half. So of course there is no correlation whatsoever. So this does not help explain. If this would have explained if there was a direct correlation between these two. So no, this doesn't help explain. So that means this is the right answer choice. Doesn't help explain. So this is the right answer choice. Let's look at the third statement now. Property crimes are more where government's emphasis is on overall calmness. So in the cities where the overall crime is less, but then nothing has been said about which cities are rich here. There is no information around the per capita income or anything like that. So of course this doesn't help explain. And even if you look at some other perspective from just to be extra safe, suppose the city where the violent crime is minimum. See, 1251 is the lowest of all this value, and okay, this is also, these are the lower values. So according to the statement, the property crimes should be higher here. 4835, the lowest value is this one, and 4835 is not the highest value. There are other cities which have higher property crimes. Similarly, this is the second lowest, but this is not anywhere close to the highest. Highest is 6,000 and plus, and there are many cities with higher than 5,000 cases. So of course, even if we apply this logic that these cities where the violent crimes are low are the cities where government is putting extra effort, even this logic doesn't work, and therefore this definitely doesn't help explain. The right combination of answer choices is yes, no, no.